everybody, Miss Kate here for our 6th and final week of the summer reading program. So this week, if you have picked up your weekly goodie bags, you will have a necklace cord like this of varying colors, 2 paper clips, colorful, again, varying colors, and 8 of these fancy little beads. Now, these beads might not look like much to begin with, but let me tell you, take them out in the sunshine. I just took them out there to test it. So cool. So cool. Okay, so this week I figured a lot of our crafts have been experiments or very hands-on. So this week I thought you would just make your very own necklace as a way to remember this year's summer reading program. Not that I think we'll forget it anytime soon, but now you'll have something that you can wear and enjoy and say, I made this during the summer reading program of 2020, okay? So I will tell you, I had an oops. What I did was I bought these necklaces and I bought these beads. And I don't know if you noticed, but the beads don't fit right on the necklace. So I messed with them and I messed with them and I was finally like, light bulb. I will give everybody paper clips. Now what you're going to do is take your bead and put it onto your paper clip. See? And then it looks pretty cool. I was able to fit 4. Actually, I might have given you guys 10 beads. I think I did. I only put 4 on each of my paper clips. If you can fit the 5th one and it works, go for it. I just did 4 because it fit on there comfortably. So I'm just not even showing you what I'm doing. Let me get a little closer. I'm just taking my bead. I'll hold it this way. And I am putting it right. I had to stretch this out a little bit. So move that end of the paper clip out just a little bit, and then you just slip your bead right on there. Okay? So there are my 4 beads on my paper clip. And then I kind of tucked it back in because you don't want them falling off. I don't think they will the way that the paper clip bends, but then you've got it just like that. Okay? And then I'm going to loop it. It doesn't want to cooperate. I'm going to loop it right onto my necklace. See how that worked? It's just like clipping it onto paper. You just kind of slip it right on there. See? And then it just rests there. And it looks pretty cool. Actually, I think mine is a little bit backward. There we go. See how just the beads show up in the front? Now, I sent you with 2 paper clips because I thought just one, it looks okay. But I already have my other one all strung up. So you can have 2 on your necklace. What do you think? Now, I will tell you, I said that they were very cool. Take them out in the sunshine. So UV light changes them one way, but they also glow in the dark. So they're pretty cool, okay? Now I'm just gonna string mine on me, and we're all done. Your little memento from the 2020 Imagine Your Story, almost all digital summer reading program. Okay, so remember we will have our 2nd showing of Home on Thursday out front on the library lawn, and we'll also be doing our outdoor story time that is open to anyone and everyone. Come down, enjoy the beautiful weather, enjoy the beautiful front yard, and hear a story or 2. Last week we did a dance. I don't know if all of you know my banana dance. It was a pretty big hit. Okay, so that will be on Friday at 1 o'clock this week. And since this is our last week, I'm going to take a week off next week from most of our stuff. Keep your eye on the Facebook page. You'll see what is going on to start planning for the fall. Okay, so we'll take a week. I might throw a video of a recorded story up or something. I'll share some other stuff too for you to enjoy. But I'm going to really focus on plans for the fall. Okay, so I hope you enjoy your necklace. I know, I'm pretty excited about mine. I really like it, actually. You might see it on me Friday if I remember to wear it. All right, so enjoy. Make sure you get your book bingos in. I'm going to give it a couple of weeks after this for everybody to have time to fill out their book bingos and get them in, because not everybody knew that the program had started, so some people are behind. Okay, there's your necklace. I'd love to see yours on you with your smiling face. All right, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.